There's an interesting market situation on volatility 10 index, which I would want us to have a look on in today's video. We'll be having a top-down analysis on this index, which I'll be analyzing from a higher time frame, the weekly time frame, predicting the next market move and picking out potential trade opportunities. So the first thing I spot out on this weekly time frame is the market structure, the market direction, which is clear this index is on a downtrend, creating series of lower highs and series of lower lows. So next, I spot out the historical levels and zones formed on this time frame, and we have this level to be a major level basically, which we've seen price buy on this level previously as a support, getting the first buys there, second buys as a support, price sold here as a resistance. After this fake out buys, price sold, giving this little sells as a resistance before the break of this level. We had this little consolidation here, price bought a little as a support before selling as a resistance. So this is a historical level basically, which we've seen price react on in the past, getting the buys and the sells on this level, the level of 6,371, as we can see here. And currently price is retesting this level after we got this breakout, this bullish breakout here and the retest. So are we to get the bullish continuation, or we have to see price sell to the downside, being that this index is on a downtrend? We've got series of lower highs and this being a trend resistance, getting the first sells on this trend level, the second sells resistance, third one, fourth sells, and the expected fifth sells, because price is already rejecting on this trend resistance level. We've got about 2 rejections as we can see here, 2 candlestick rejections. So this shows we got sell possibilities from that level, from that zone. So the next historical level we got is this level, because the same price react on this level in the past, getting the buys here as a support. The first buy is basically, second buy is support, the third buy is support, fourth buy is support. So there's a possibility of same price sell to this level as a support, being that this is a historical level that price has been buying from, and price is currently reacting on this trend resistance level and this historical level. So we got sell possibilities from the current price level to this next historical level in the coming days and weeks. And we also got a bullish order block formed here on the weekly time frame, a rally based rally bullish order block formation. So we could see price sell to this level for potential buys in the coming days and weeks. So analyzing further to the daily time frame, we've got this bullish trend where price created series of higher lows and series of higher highs, which came as a retest of the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern that formed on the daily time frame, having the left shoulder there, the head at this point, and the right shoulder formed here basically, with the neckline here, which is on this weekly time frame historical level. So price has just retested this neckline. You can see it clearly when we zoom out of the charts. This neckline has been retested, so we got sell possibilities from this level to the downside, being that price is reacting to this weekly time frame trend resistance level. So we got sell possibilities on this index, at least price selling to this zone, this historical level. So I'll be looking for sell opportunities on this index, and as we can see, this daily time frame trend support level has been broken. So we got sell possibilities on this index. I'll be looking for sell opportunities on the lower time frame in this zone. So analyzing further to the 4-hour time frame, you can see we've got a bearish structure where price has created series of lower highs and series of lower lows. Is this broken level of support turned resistance, which price is selling from currently? So we could get more sales to the downside. A lot of bearish confluences would say on this index. We also got some key zones on this 4 time frame, which we should acknowledge, which we should mark out, having this to be a key zone, a historical level basically. We've seen price sell on this level as a resistance, getting the first reaction. Sell resistance here, resistance, 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 the buys. After this level of resistance got broken, turned support, price retested it and bought the first time, bought the second time after this fake out, bought here as well as a support. So we have to pay attention to this level. If price is to sell to this zone, then a break of this level here would see price sell further to the overall targets in the coming days and weeks. So on shorting this index, the major targets would be on this level, the level of I think 6,288 in the coming days. So right now I need to get a simplified level, a clear entry point for the sales on this index. So I'll be analyzing further to the 1-hour time frame, which we can see this broken level of support, which I'll be looking to sell on as a resistance on price, giving the retest of it. A move of this kind, as we've gotten the break of that level of support, then I'll wait for a retest of this level here to short this index. And I would also pay attention to this zone. This more like an order block. So price could fake out a buy move to test this order block here. We could see price fake out a move to the upside to test this zone before the sell. So I would just have to pay attention to this area. If price can approach this level of support, not broken turn resistance, I would look out for confirmations on a lower time frame like the 15 minutes time frame or the 5 minutes time frame before taking the sells on this level. And if there's no confirmation, I would have to wait for price to push up to this other block zone to short this index. And targets, like I said, would be so this level, this 4 time frame key zone here, the level of 6,288. TP1 would be on the level of 6,371, being that is a historical level of support. We've got price bound this level support. So this is a realistic level for TP1. TP2 would be here. TP2 here, these 4 swing cells here, because you're on the 4 time frame chart, and the expected cells is a long cell. TP2 there, TP3 this level, the level of 6,325, because we've got histories on this level as well, and TP4 would be on this major historical level in the coming days. So let's watch out for how price reacts to this zone, this 1 hour time frame level, and this bearish order block, looking out for confirmations on the lower time frame like the 15 minutes time frame or the 5 minutes time frame before shorting this index. And you guys can as well take advantage of these incoming sells on volatility 10 index. And on getting good confirmations on this index, I would drop the trade signal to my VIP members and on my public Telegram channel. So don't miss out on the higher probability trade setups and signals I share. To join my Telegram channel, link is in this video description and is pinned on this video comment section. So click to join and don't miss out. For more market analysis, likes and market breakdown, do to smash the like button, drop a good comment on this video, and subscribe. Refer to subscribe. And to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for always engaging in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day.